I'm going to show you how to write good, long-form articles for your website in minutes using AI. These articles will have valuable information written from a good research outline with nested headings. I'll show you why this AI editor is one of my favorite and take you through the built-in SEO optimization tool. I'll show you the built-in fact checker, and as always, I'll run the article through the AI content detectors, including the most difficult detector, to see how it does. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to write a free article using LongShot. LongShot's an AI writing assistant that helps you research, generate, and optimize blog content. Here's a few of the features. Generate helpful SEO content based on user searches and people also ask questions. Customize AI templates. Fact check generated content for factual accuracy, and integrates with platforms like WordPress and Semrush. So just add in your topic, the keywords, how formal you would like it, and the tone, and click generate. Then you can choose a title from the list of titles it generates for you. So here it gives me a few pretty decent titles that I could choose from, and then I can also edit a headline if I would like, or regenerate them. So I'm gonna click this one and then click generate. Then it'll put together an outline for me. So here's the outline with nested headings, and I can also customize these how I like. I can move them around or edit them. So I think this is a good looking outline. So I'm gonna go ahead and click generate blog. Here's the article it put together, and this is a good looking article. I'm gonna scroll through so you can see the quality, but it has a list of 7 tips for my article, and this is some valuable information. And then here we have a conclusion here at the end and a couple wrap up paragraphs. I also really like this AI editor where you can click instruct me and you can give it a prompt. So I can have it write another paragraph for me to introduce this list. I can also have it write content based on these keywords that it's suggesting for the article. So I thought this was a really good feature, and this is pretty unique when it comes to AI editors. So here's the paragraph it generated for me based on that keyword. So I thought this was really good. I like this feature. I can also click up here for meta. I can have it generate a summary for me or a conclusion. Here's the SEO optimization tool. So I can see here that it has the word count, the recommended word count, the reading score, and then the semantic SEO score. Then I can click here in research and search for my topic, and it'll show me some more sub headlines I can add. So these are some more headings based on competitor articles, and I think this is a really good feature as well. I can easily just add these right into my article. Here it also has questions I can add, which I also like. These are frequently asked questions and would be good to add to the article. Here it has some recommended keywords I can add in, and I can go in here and just add this keyword, and then it'll change green and it'll show me how many times I have it and how many times I should add it. It also integrates with Semrush. So here is the built-in fact checker, and I thought this was a really unique feature. So I can have it detect the claims that are made in my article, and then here's all the claims that are made, and it highlights them. Then I can click one of these claims, and it'll show me if this is factually true or false. So it says that this statement is not factual. It gives the correction, and then it gives the reasoning behind why it's not factual. So this is a really unique functionality that I like. Now let's check out the AI content detectors. Scriber says there's 0% chance that this text was generated by AI. Content detector says this is likely human, with a 50% probability that this was generated by AI. So it just has a few sentences here that are highlighted in red, mainly the introduction, which usually happens, and a couple other sentences. Now let's check content at scale. Content at Scale says this reads like AI. Even though it really only has a few sentences that have been marked as AI, Content at Scale is the most difficult content detector to pass. Now let's jump into the pros, cons, and my overall opinion of LongShot. Here's the pros. It writes good content with valuable information from a good outline with nested headings. The optimization tool is good with recommended keywords that helps you optimize the article yourself after it's been written. The fact checker tool is a unique feature that would be really helpful for topics that require more logical reasoning as opposed to my fashion article. The editor is really good with the ability to add text based on prompts or keywords. Here's the cons. I like the functionality of the editor, but it can be clunky at times. I accidentally generated text as a heading and had no easy way to change it to a paragraph. The optimization tool wasn't giving me an overall score for my article. Even when I reloaded it, it just never added a score. The last con is there's no way to add images to the article within the software. Overall, LongShot is a good AI writer that generates valuable content with really unique features not found in most other AI software. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using LongShot. Check out these other videos for more AI software you should be using.